Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's just see the currently wallpaper here, and now just to change it we should launch the settings app, and after that here tap on the display section, then here click to the wallpaper and tap to we can select our new wallpaper from our device local album, so we can use our just photos from our device gallery, or also we can use the system default wallpaper here. So let's just use the default one. Just to change the wallpaper, click here, for example on this one. We can see how this wallpaper will look on our device lock screen. Then just click here to application and select lock screen. Wait a second, now we can see the message that this wallpaper set successfully. And now let's see and check, and now we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our device home screen lock screen, sorry. And also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should hold for one from our device home screens, and after that you'll see here the wallpaper section. Just click here once, and by the same way just select one from the wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. Tap to lock screen, and now just let's check. So we can see that we just successfully changed again our device lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.